So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make 2 sheet metal plates to block off these holes for what was the heater and the AC, because now there's a hole in the firewall, which defeats the purpose of the firewall. So we're going to make got one of my little templates cut out of cardboard, and we're just going to transfer it over to sheet metal and start cutting. So I'm not sure where I left off last night because my memory card filled up and I didn't have another one. But got the holes drilled and then put rivets through them. So now it's fireproof again. There's no giant holes from the AC and the heater. And it actually looks kind of good. That's cool. So I don't know if I've mentioned this yet on the videos, but I got the engine in, but I have the wrong subframe. And I figured out it's because I have the subframe from a Skyline, because there was previously an RB25 in this car. So I have to try and find a S13 subframe. That way the motor isn't a whole foot too far forward. So that kind of sucks because I've been waiting for that. If you look at the trans, you can kind of see it down there where it's not supposed to be. So yeah. So I'm still waiting on a bunch of the parts to come in to fix up the subframe and a couple gaskets. So in the meantime, I'm going to continue stripping the interior and just work on cleaning that stuff up because none of it's necessary, so why do I still have it? Let's get to it.